Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into n8n, an amazing open source tool that lets you automate your workflows without writing a single line of code. If you've ever wanted to connect different apps, streamline your processes, or just get rid of those boring, repetitive tasks, then n8n is for you. Let's jump right in and see how it works. So, what exactly is n8n? Think of it as your personal automation assistant. The name stands for Notimation, and it uses a super intuitive visual editor where you can literally drag and drop different apps and services to create a workflow. It's like building with Legos, but for your digital life. The best part is it's open source, which means you have full control over your data. Plus, with over 200 integrations for popular services like Slack, Google Sheets, and GitHub, the possibilities are endless. Before we get it installed, let's quickly cover the system requirements. n8n is very flexible. It runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. The easiest way to get started is by using Docker, so you'll want to have that installed on your machine. If you're not a fan of Docker, no worries. You can also install it directly using Node.js, as long as you have version 14 or higher. Now for the fun part, installation. We'll use Docker because it's the simplest method. First, if you don't have Docker, head over to Docker.com and grab it for your system. Once that's ready, open your terminal or command prompt and pull the official n8n image. After that, you just need one command to run it. This command also sets up a username and password for security. Once it's running, open your web browser and go to localhost 5678 to access the n8n editor. If you chose the non-Docker route, the process is just as simple. Make sure you have Node.js installed, then open your terminal and run a single command to install n8n globally. To start it, just type n8n in your terminal, and you're good to go. You can then access it at the same address, localhost 5678. Once you're in, you'll see the beautiful visual editor. This is where the magic happens. You can start adding nodes, which represent different apps or actions, and connect them to build your first automation. For security, make sure you've set up authentication, especially if you plan to access your n8n instance from outside your local network. You can also configure other settings like the host and port using environment variables to fit your needs. If you ever run into issues, checking the Docker logs is a great way to debug what's going on. And there you have it. You've successfully installed n8n and are ready to start automating your world. This tool can seriously save you so much time and effort. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know in the comments if you tried n8n and what cool workflows you built. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.